Good afternoon, Chet Porter with MarineMax Savannah. Take a second and introduce you to the 2021 215 Dorado from Scout. So this boat's powered by 150 Yamaha. Great fuel efficiency and economy in this model. Very quiet. This boat has a ski pylon, flip down transom seat, and then a port side lounger on this side with a removable backrest. Boat also includes a live well over here, the nice fiberglass top, rod holders, nice cleats here, pop-up cleats, heavy duty stainless steel cup holders. On the starboard side we have a flip up seat with a nice backrest for storage. It can also be used as a cooler. Stainless steel cup holders here as well. The companion side we have flip up seat, spins around, nice high back seat, very comfortable. Scout logo, keep everything looking nice. Forward of that we have a storage compartment for a phone, whatever small items that you may use here. A 12-volt plug-in here. Then on the helm side, your Yamaha gauges, nice Lumar steering wheel with tilt here, LED trim tabs to keep the boat level as your companions move around in the vessel, fusion stereo, Bluetooth compatibility, and then you have connectivity with USB ports and 12-volt plugins here for spotlights or whatever kind of instruments you may use as well. Flip up and down switches here, easy to read. Lights are on when they're on, off when they're not on, so it's easy to tell what you have running at the time. Nice, same seat as the companion with flip up thigh rise seats. You can sit on top of that to get a little vision over the windshield if needed, or down below to get out of the cool air. This year they have a nice new windshield with no frame, which is really cool looking and sets it off different from any of the models in this category that you may see. Standard stainless steel bimini top goes forward of the windshield, so you got plenty of coverage from sun and rain. Hopefully you don't get into that. Nice floor storage, which is lockable here. Moving forward of the helm, you have a lockable compartment up here with your reset fuses and your battery switch, so it's easy to get to. You're not having to crawl down into any compartment to get to that. And on the port side you have a lockable helm with a nice teak and holly floor with a drain. You can put a porta potty in there if needed. There's also a mirror in there, which is nice. Forward you have the armrest on either side, keep you nice and comfortable, and then storage underneath both sides. And these are hinged seats, so they're easy to open up and down. You don't have to worry about a cushion flying out, which is very nice. So forward of that we have an anchor locker with the locks for your anchor to keep it where it is, 2 J&L audio speakers, and then a storage compartment under here so you can access your chain and rod for your anchor. So a really nice layout on the new 2021 215 Dorado from Scout. So Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah, give us a call, 912-897-9881. Thank you very much.